Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I am making some centerpieces. Wedding season is upon us, and I thought this would be a good idea for those brides that are on a budget and looking for more affordable wedding decor. So I'm just going to go over the supplies here. So I have a topiary ball. I got this from Dollarama. It was $3. I also have here a wine glass, which I've already kind of experimented on. I usually get my glassware from the secondhand store just because it's the cheapest and I can find some really interesting items there. This is just a tin can that I've already washed and removed the label. I have some black spray paint as well as some crafting paint in a copper metallic finish, a little dish where I'm going to mix everything, a brush, my E6000 glue along with my glue gun, and some tape. So that's it for these supplies. Let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so there's going to be a little bit of a change of plan here. I originally wanted to paint this stripe with the copper paint, but I really want to keep this DIY simple and not too time consuming, and painting can be time consuming, so I've decided to scrap that and use ribbon instead to kind of decorate this and make it a little bit more bridal-esque. Now, of course, you don't have to do that. If you like the silver showing through, you can keep it the way it is. Or if you wanted to spray paint the whole vase one solid color, you can do that as well. I just want to make this a little bit more fancy. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's continue on with the video. Okay, so this is the finished centerpiece. Now I know the colors are not traditional wedding colors, but I do want to use these as home decor, so I wanted the black. But obviously you guys can paint and decorate these however you like. I think these are perfect for wedding reception centerpieces, just because you do get that height and also some volume up top with the topiary. You can display one on each table, or you could do multiples. Let me just show you here. So you could do something like this as well. So yeah, so something like this adds a little bit more of visual interest. You got the 3 different heights, and also each vase is slightly different than the other. If you don't want to do multiples on a table, you can also do a slightly different vase on each table. That can also be a little bit more unique. But yeah, I really like these. I think they're very versatile. Like I said, I'm personally going to be using them as home decor, and I think these would be perfect for, you know, other special events. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you found this DIY helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, take care and bye.